If we happen to make a mistake while digitizing the field boundary, we can use the editing features Clear Last Point or Clear All Points. Clicking Clear Last Point will clear the last point, and we can click the option multiple times until we are back to the place where we would like to continue tracing the boundary. Sometimes it's just easier to start over, so Clear All Points will erase the entire field boundary. Notice that at times, the red line that closes the polygon by connecting the last anchor point to the starting point turns from a solid red line to a dashed line. This happens when the closing line crosses over another portion of the field boundary, thus creating two or more closed polygons. When this occurs, Summit will not allow us to close the field boundary. To fix this, we click Clear Last Point until our field boundary is once again a single polygon. As we approach the point where we will close the boundary, we need to make sure that we do not overlap the beginning and end points. At the point when we are ready to close the boundary, we simply double-click the mouse button. The total cultivated acres of the field now appear in the lower left corner of the window. To make additional adjustments to the field boundary, select Edit Vertices. When Edit Vertices is selected, our anchor points appear along the field boundary. To adjust an anchor point, we simply place the mouse cursor over a point, click and hold the mouse button down, then move the point as need be. Once the point is correctly positioned, unclick the mouse button and the point will lock in place. To delete an anchor point, click once on the point, then hit the delete button on the keyboard. To add additional vertices, click anywhere on the boundary. When adjusting vertices, it is often helpful to zoom in and then pan across the field boundary, making adjustments as needed. To do this, click the Zoom In button, then drag a zoom window around a portion of the field boundary. It is now easier to make more precise adjustments to the field boundary, and when you need to move further along the boundary, just select the Pan tool and click and drag the image to a new location. Then click on Edit Vertices and continue the adjustments. When finished, click Zoom Out or Zoom to Original to view the entire field.